Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to connect mobile remote to Samsung TV. Let's go. Open Play Store or App Store. Find any virtual remote. I'm using this one. Install virtual remote. Open virtual remote. Connect the virtual remote control to the TV. That's it, the remote is working. That's it, now you know how to connect mobile remote to Samsung TV. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.